Okay, now that we're in our thinking chair, let's think. You will help, right? You will? Great. So, we're trying to figure out what Green Puppy wants for a birthday present. And our clues are wood, the floor, and these colors. So, what could Green Puppy want for a birthday present with wood, the floor, and these colors? Do you know? Hey, maybe Green Puppy wants something to play on the floor. Yeah. And maybe she wants something that's wood. Yeah. And maybe the wood could be changed into different colors. Yeah. But what type of wood with colors could Green Puppy want to play on the floor? What do you think she wants for a birthday present? Blocks! Blocks! That's it, because Green Puppy loves blocks. And of course, she loves to knock her blocks down. Blue, is that what Green Puppy wants for a birthday present? Blocks? Hey, we just figured out Blue's clothes.